The Tyre Sensors Not Detected error on your 2010 to 2019 Ford Grand C-Max usually means the ECU isn't receiving signals from the tire sensors. This is often due to dead sensor batteries with a lifespan of 5 to 7 years, sensor faults, or needing a TPMS relearn after tire rotation. First, try a TPMS relearn. Cycle the ignition on-off 3 times, then drive above 25 miles per hour for 10 to 20 minutes. For models with reset options in the infotainment system, navigate to Settings and then Tire Monitoring. If the error persists, it's likely a sensor issue requiring replacement. If the relearn procedure fails, inspect the tire pressure sensors. A mechanic can check the sensor voltage after removing the tire, or you can do it yourself. Check the sensor voltage using a multimeter. Aim for 2.5 to 3 volts. Low voltage below 2.1 volts signals battery depletion. To replace sensors, choose aftermarket universal TPMS sensors from brands like Schrader or Continental. These are more affordable and programmable compared to OEM parts. Costs range from $50 to $100 per sensor, plus labor charges. After replacing sensors, a relearn procedure is essential. This can be done via an OBD2 scanner or manually by cycling the ignition and driving. Always inflate tires to the correct pressure of 30 to 35 psi and ensure they are properly balanced to avoid false sensor triggers. Proactively replacing sensor batteries every 6 years is recommended to prevent failures. Finally, ensure that any replacement sensors are compatible with the Grand C-Max TPMS system.